when I see what you are targeting the BJP today, but what I see in Jammu and Kashmir or in Kashmir Valley is also political opportunism for survival. Whether it is National Conference or PDP or Sajjad Loans People's Conference, it seems all of you are also fighting a battle for survival now after the revocation of Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir being made a union territory. Isn't this what it is at the end of the day now? Simply about political survival. Is it about principle or survival?
No, we are fighting for the survival of the state, our identity. That is what we are fighting about. That's what people want. They want us to fight for the identity of this state, for the tashakhus, for the resolution of the problem, because you have an elephant in the room and you say it's not there. It is still there. I mean, they have vandalized the state for the last 1.5 years now. They are taking even our rights. जो पहले यहाँ रेत निकालते थे लोग, जो बाजरी निकालते थे, वो भी अब बाहर के लोग निकालते हैं. जो चीज़ 500 में मिलती थी, अब 10-15 हज़ार में यहाँ के लोगों को मिलती है. हमारे जंगल, they have allotted 24,000 canals of our, jungles, our forest land for industrialization. They are going like anything. जैसे डाकू आते हैं ना, फिर प्लंडर करते हैं, डाका मारते हैं. इसी तरह जम्मू कश्मीर को लूटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. That's what they have been doing.
No, you are accusing the government of India of coming into Jammu and Kashmir and looting Kashmir, but for years your critics will say you had the opportunity, so did the Abdullahs, you failed the people of Jammu and Kashmir, so the center is opting for a new solution. The fact is, when you were in charge, militancy continued. Terrorism has continued even today. There are serious allegations of corruption against both your government as well as the Abdullahs. So the center is saying, we gave you a chance, you failed. Now we are trying to salvage the situation in Kashmir.
Well, let me tell you one thing. I mean, the corruption thing, why don't they prove something against me and put me behind the bars? They have been talking about it. And let me remind you one thing. We have ruled Jammu Kashmir for 6 years. Mufti Saab was there for 4 years and I was there for 2 years. So all this, thing talking about कि ये 70 साल रहे और ये corruption का पाठ किसको पढ़ा रहे हैं? आप बीजेपी के पास देखिए, जब वो पावर में नहीं आए उनके पास क्या था, और आज उनके पास देखिए कितना पैसा आ गया. उनकी ऑफिसेस देखिए, यहाँ कितना पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं वो, एक कैंडिडेट को कितना पैसा दे रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ये करप्शन का पाठ हमें क्या पढ़ाएंगे?
The real question though, Mehbooba Mufti ji, and the elephant in the room as I would call it, is also Pak-based terrorism. That continues. We only yesterday had a major terror plot averted. The sense is, whether it was your government or NC, Kashmir has gone through 30 years of cross-border terror. You were not able to bring it under control. The center believes terrorism flourished, that Article 370 in some way would at least, the revocation would give the center more control, and that would be one way to end terrorism. That's how the center perceives it.
Well, let me tell you, the militancy has gone up, terrorism has gone up. I mean, the situation is at this point of time कि इलेक्शन हो रहे हैं, और इलेक्शन में आपने तमाम जो अपोजिशन के PAGD के जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनको बंद करके रखा हुआ, ये कह के कि सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट है. तो अगर हालात ठीक है तो उनको सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट के नाम पे बंद क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप उनको जाने क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? यहाँ 4G क्यों नहीं है? यहाँ क्यों कहते हैं कि अगर 4G होगा तो यहाँ हालात ख़राब हो जाएंगे? अगर यहाँ हालात ठीक हैं तो फिर प्रोटेस्ट के ऊपर यहाँ लोगों को प्रोटेस्ट करने क्यों नहीं देते?
No, are you telling me that you are not being allowed to campaign? You are telling me on record that your candidates are not being allowed to move out and campaign in this election next week?
हमारे जो हमारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनको बंद कर दिया है. They are not allowed to move. उनको एक बिल्डिंग में बंद करके रखा हुआ है कि बाहर खतरा, आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो. And the BJP candidates are given, BJP and its allies and its proxies, they are given all the bandobast to go and campaign anywhere.